Hi everyone, welcome back. Wish you all a very happy Navratri. সবাইকে শুভ শারদিয়ার অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা ও অভিনন্দন। সবার পুজো ভীষণ ভীষণ ভালো কাটুক and let's get started with today's look. You know I always start off with a good hydrating moisturizer, and as this is a festive glam look, so I'll be using a glowy hydrating primer. It's a recent purchase and I must say that this is a beautiful primer, especially if you have dry skin. Definitely go and get this one. To hide my dark circles and pigmentation, I'll be using a color correcting primer. This is in the shade peach. If you are a dusky skin beauty, definitely go for the orange one. Once that is done, moving on to another concealer which is very close to my skin tone because I'm not going to use any foundation today. And to blend everything out, I'll be using a concealer brush. Next, moving on to the brows, and I'm using the Miss Claire eyebrow cake. Then to set my brow hairs in place, using an eyebrow gel. For my blush today, I'll be using a cream blush from Nudestix, and this is in the shade Cherry Blossom Babe. It looks beautiful on the skin and it's perfect for festive season. To set the cream products in place, I'm using a loose translucent powder. Using this Plum Nature Studio Kajal to tightline my upper waterline. Now taking this blue eyeliner from Faces Canada and creating a beautiful dramatic wing. Also don't forget to extend it to the inner corners of your eyes. Now taking another eyeliner from the same brand, and this is a different blue, so I'll be applying it on top of that liquid liner, and then with the help of an angular brush I'll be smudging it out. For my eyeshadow today, I'll be using this new Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette. First taking this transition shade and applying it on the crease area. Now taking this lighter shimmery shade and dusting it all over my eyelid just to give some dimension so that my eyelids doesn't look flat. Taking the same angle brush, I'm just retouching my eyeliner so that it looks neat, and then with the help of the same blue eyeliner, I'm tightlining my waterline. Then with the same brush, I'm smudging out my bottom lash line so it looks nice and smoky. Taking this beautiful champagne shade to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. As I wanted a little more flush to the cheeks, so I added a powder blush on top. Now this is not extremely pigmented, so you have to build this one up. Using a setting spray to lock everything in. Coming to the highlighter, and this is also a recent buy, and oh my god, this is such a beautiful highlighter under budget. Highly recommend this one. Here I'm adding some more blush because why not? I recently got this newly launched lipstick from Lakme, and I really like the formulation of these and I really like the color, but I think it was not going well with today's look, so I thought of mixing another shade. So first I used the KIRO lip gloss in the shade Dusty Rose, and then I applied the liquid lipstick on top. And here's a quick swatch of how these two shades looks like. This is the liquid sindoor that I use on everyday basis, and if you are looking for a good recommendation, here it is. I wore a bindi in a very different way. I hope you guys like it because I love it. And also I forgot to apply mascara, so I'm doing it now. And yup, that's the finished makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I love the way my makeup has turned out today, and this is the kurti I'm wearing today. So if any of you are interested in getting this one, the link will be mentioned in the description box. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to know that. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.